So this is the Herman Miller Aeron chair. They come in 3 sizes, and the way to check is in the back. There's on the back of this frame, there's little buttons inside. There's 1, 2, or 3, and those are A, B, and C. B is the middle, A is a little bit smaller, and C is a little bit larger. So you can fit that because the parts are the same size. In some chairs, we can adjust the various pieces. In these Aeron chairs, they're molded. So you want to make sure that you get the chair that fits you to start with. Now, when you're adjusting the Aeron, the first thing is on the right-hand side, there's this little lever, and there's a little pictogram of a person sitting with an up and down arrow. And if you pull that, the chair will go down, and if you pull and stand, the chair will come up, okay? On the left-hand side, there's 2 levers. The one in the back is a locking mechanism, so if you pull lean forward, push the paddle down, that will disengage the seat pan, and that will allow you to rock back in the chair. The front lever allows the whole seat pan to come forward, so if you lean back, push the lever forward, that will lock the seat pan at 90 degrees. If you lean back, pull the front paddle all the way up, the seat pan will actually come forward 5 to 7 degrees, then pull the back one up, and the chair will lock in that position. For a lot of people, that's just a little too much, so to undo it, you lean forward, push the back lever down, and you'll hear it give. There's a little clicking noise. Lean back, then take the front lever and push it down. That will stop the seat pan at 90 degrees, then pull the back lever up, and that will hold it there. If the chair is unlocked and you're rocking back, on the right side, there's this knob. Hopefully you guys can see that. There's a knob right here. You can turn it forward or backwards, and that sets how much tension is in the chair. So if you lean back and you want the chair to just flop away from you, you can unwind the tension, or if you want more support when it's unlocked, turn it forward and it will give you more resistance. Okay, but usually when you're doing static work, what you want to do is pull this lever up and lock the backrest so it's in place. The next thing about the Aeron is this backrest piece right here. And what it is, it's a big football-shaped pillow. Okay, it's thin on one side and thick on the other, and then it has these little grabbers on the side that fit on the rails right here. And what you can do is you can just put it on the rails with the thin or thick side out, and then push it down, and it will slide. It'll slide up and down in the backrest. And what you want to do is bring that up so it's giving you support at a belt level. Okay. Now in the newer models, they have more of a back pad. Hopefully you guys can see this. It's more of a back pad. It doesn't move up and down, and it has a little knob here, and by turning that knob forward or back, you will bring that pad in or out to get that back support that you want. The last thing is the armrests. On the newer versions, they have this lever right here. So you lift the lever out, and the armrest will move up and down in the channel. And what you're going to do is relax your shoulders, bend your elbows 90 degrees, and then bring that up or down so it's just about elbow level. In the older models, they have a little screw mechanism right here. And what you have to do is loosen this screw and then slide it up in the channel and then tighten it back down, and that'll lock it in place. So yeah, just look at which type you have, loosen that, and then sometimes it gets stuck in that channel, so you just kind of have to wobble the armrest a little bit so it'll slide all the way down. And that is how you set up the Aeron chair. Thank you.